Hi, my name is Linda from Patterndesign, and today I will show you how to recolor a pattern on our platform. First off, choose a pattern for which you want a different color scheme. Then click on Change Color. The following window will open, which gives you a variety of options to change the individual colors of the pattern. To start off, select the color you want to change via these colored boxes. After you selected a color, you have two different options to change it. The first option you have is to choose a color from a predefined spectrum of hues. Simply click on one of these colored boxes. If you do not like the new colors, you can always go back to the original version of the pattern via Reset Colors. The second option you have to change the colors is to enter a specific color code or color values. Another option we offer is to change the overall color feeling of the design via colorization, saturation, and brightness. As you can see, with colorization you can change the overall color hue of the design. Saturation, on the other hand, makes the colors look brighter or more grayish. And lastly, brightness makes the used colors look lighter or darker. Feel free to play around with these different tools to create new compositions perfectly catered to your liking. When you click outside this view box, you can also look at the changed design in the previews. When you are satisfied with the changes, use Add to Cart with these colors to add your version of the pattern to your shopping cart. And now we are done recoloring a pattern on Patterndesign. Thank you for watching.